In this tutorial, I will show you how to perform catchment delineation using ArcHydro Tools in ArcGIS Pro. A catchment is the area that collects runoff and drains it into a particle stream segment. Catchment delineation is an important step in hydrological modeling because it divides a watershed into smaller drainage units. By the end of this video, you will have catchment polygons that can be used for watershed analysis, stream network modeling, flood studies, and many other hydrological applications. We begin with the fill sinks tool. Raw dams often contain small depressions or pits caused by the data errors. If these sinks are not removed, water will become trapped and the flow simulation will be incorrect. The fill sinks tool removes these artificial depressions, creating a hydrologically correct elevation surface. Next, we generate the flow direction raster. This determines the direction in which water flows from every raster cell based on the steepest downslope path. Each cell receives a coded value representing one of the 8 possible flow directions. This raster serves as the foundation for all subsequent hydrological analysis. Using the flow direction raster, we now calculate flow accumulation. This raster counts the number of upstream cells contributing flow into each cell. Cells with higher accumulation values indicate potential drainage channels, while lower values represent hill slopes and ridges. Now, we will identify the stream network using the stream definition tool. This requires selecting a flow accumulation threshold. The next step is stream segmentation. Here, the stream network is divided into individual stream segments. Each segment is assigned a unique identification number, allowing ArcHydro to establish relationships between streams and their contributing drainage areas. Now we perform catchment grid delineation using the flow direction raster and the stream link raster. ArcHydro assigns every raster cell to its corresponding stream segment. The output is a raster in which each unique value represents a drainage area contributing to the specific stream segment. The catchment grid is currently stored as raster to make it easier to visualize, edit, and analyze, we convert it into vector polygons using the Catchment Polygon Processing tool. Each polygon now represents an individual catchment associated with specified stream segment. The catchment polygons have now been successfully generated. Each polygon represents the land area that contributes runoff to a single stream segment. Together, these elementary catchments form the building blocks of an entire watershed. These polygons can now be used for watershed delineation, hydrological modeling, flood analysis, water resource management, and environmental studies. That's how you can perform catchment delineation using ArcHydro Tools in ArcGIS Pro. In the next tutorial, we will continue the ArcHydro workflow by exploring the next stage of the hydrological analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to others interested in GIS and hydrological modeling.